Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Monday, January 27th, 2020. Please rise, place your right hand over your heart, and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence and reflect on the great choices you will make today. Please be seated. We do not have any birthdays to celebrate today, but tomorrow is Bella Lopez in 4th grade's birthday, and Wednesday we have quite a few birthdays. Mateo in 1st grade, Jasmine in 5th grade, Genesis in 1st, and Maria in 4th grade. Happy birthday, and make sure you pop by my office this week to get a special birthday present. And I will give the Friday, Saturday, and Sunday birthdays on the Friday announcements. Today, let's focus on owning your own learning, and because we are about 90% better last week, but we're not 100% better at having a book in your hand when you are waiting in the hallway at all times. We're going to stick with Idea 22 this week. Some announcements is Monday today, so go back to your homeroom for academic block and make sure you take some time to look at your uniform to ensure that you are in the correct uniform. If you have a non-idea jacket, homeroom teachers, please take the non-idea jackets and hold them until the end of the day. If you are a repeat offender who keeps bringing non-idea jackets in, we will have to call your parents and they will have to be the ones that pick them up for you. Also, if you cannot find your jacket, it is probably because it is in the lost and found, so make sure you pop by the lost and found by Miss Caroline's office some point today. Some announcements for today. Make sure you're here every single day because we have a lot of exams on Friday, which means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you're going to have to be in school working hard because you won't be ready if you're not. Also, Friday is our Winter Wonderland dance that's put on by our 2nd and 5th graders, and so we need to focus on the entire week being here each day, and especially on Friday because you cannot come to the dance if you are not at school that day. I know the weather changes, but here's our snapshot of weather as of Monday morning. So we have a all right week coming up, a couple of chilly mornings, and Tuesday we might see a few showers, but today should be beautiful and we should be having outdoor recess. Remember, we have an attendance challenge every single Friday, and in order to be in that challenge, you have to be here every day, Monday through Friday. And I have a really exciting announcement about our Math Masters. Every single week, more and more of you keep adding yourselves to this list, and I am so proud of you. If you see your name on this list, please raise your hand or stand up and take a bow. We are super proud of you. Great work. And just one more time, a reminder that this Friday from 5 to 7 is our Winter Wonderland dance. Please join us for a night of dancing and family fun. It is $1 to get in, and then there are more tickets that will be sold at the door for food and other things like hot chocolate, nachos, other drinks, and if you're one of the first 100 people in the door, you get a free Kona Ice snow cone. I cannot wait to see you there. Also, if you haven't done this already, you still have a chance to win a pizza party and an ice cream sundae party. Just remind your parents to register you for the next year. Another reminder is, for the end of day snack, make sure you are grabbing all of the things, and then if you don't want them, you keep them on the table in the back of the room for a sharing table. Okay? During dismissal, you are not to be sitting and eating your snack in the hallway. You must dispose of it before you sit down. Teachers, we have that audit on Wednesday. So we have bulletin boards being decorated and doors being decorated to celebrate Black History Month. I will also add a few exciting announcements into the morning announcements each morning. However, talk to your teachers about how you would like to celebrate Black History Month and let me know, and let's make that part of our Runberg history. Please say the Runberg Academy chant with me. Ready? And Rattlers are respectful. Today I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today I will own my own learning. And Rattlers are relentless. Today I will not give up. Make it a magnificent Monday, and remember that choice is all yours. And one other thing I wanted to say is thank you guys so much for that special birthday surprise on Thursday. That was really sweet. You guys made me feel so special, and I don't think you could ever top this birthday. This was probably the best one of all. And I really appreciate you and all your sweet cards and gestures that day. And Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you and we always will. Teachers, please take a few minutes now to call parents of the students that are out and message the 88 GroupMe. Have a wonderful Monday.